Hello everyone. Now today we are going to see the project computer science project designed by Barsha Kumari Mandal of class 11th B. Now this project is restaurant management system. Here the name of the project they have given, she has given is multi cuisine restaurant. Now this is a menu driven program. So here you can see the menu. First is a menu of the restaurant is given. So all the starter corner, main course, dessert, and then user will enter the choice and accordingly it will start functioning. Now here in starter corner all the starters are there, veg starter, non-veg starter, and this is a menu driven program, so you have to enter these options for the menu. In veg starter, all the veg starters are given along with the price. The user can select from this menu. So it will be very easy for the user. User don't have to type the name of the food items. User has to select from the menu. Now the calculation is given here. So we will see the output first and then we will go through the program. So here you can see the output. When we are running the program, it is showing welcome to multi cuisine restaurant and the name of the student, the class. So first it is showing here the main menu, starter corner, main course and dessert. Now whichever option, suppose you want main course or starter, so you will select accordingly. This program you can run in Jupyter also. So here you can see this is your program. And when you are running it, then it is showing the menu here. This is your menu. Now it is asking for your choice. Let us see. First is starter. So I am entering here for starters first. So now it is showing here enter VS for veg starter and VS for non-veg starter. Suppose we enter here VS. Now it is showing here which all starters are there. Paneer tikka, veg seekh kebab, hara bhara kebab, Shanghai spring roll, American corn ball, crispy American corn, crispy baby corn, crispy mushroom, crispy chili potato and crispy chili chana. So whichever you want to order, like now I am ordering paneer tikka, suppose one I am entering. Now you can see if you enter one, it will ask number of starters. Suppose only one I am entering here. Then this price, it is already given here 110. So here you can see it is showing here 110 rupees. Now if you want to continue, you can continue with any more item, you can add it. Suppose I want to go to the main menu. So I am entering M here. Now in the main menu here, main course, dessert. Suppose main course I want to select. So 2 I will give here. Now I for Indian dishes, C for Chinese and so on. So suppose if I write here I, then it will show here all the Indian dishes. Shahi paneer, Navratna korma, kadai vegetable pakiza, stuffed kulcha, Mughlai chicken, Murg Navratan korma, mutton rogan joshi, fish sarso wala and fish dhania wala. So whichever you want, suppose Navratna korma or Shahi paneer I want, so I will enter here 1 and total number of dishes, suppose 1 only I am entering. Now 210 it will be added in the previous one. Previous was 110. So you can see here 320. Clear? So this is working nicely, calculation part. Now suppose one Chinese I want to order. This is one fried rice, this is one chicken, chili chicken, chicken noodles, veg hakka noodles, then chicken Manchurian, paneer Manchurian, chili paneer, Shanghai fried rice and veg fried rice. Suppose veg fried rice I want to order. Now keep on adding. This is 490, previously 320 we have already ordered. So we are adding this. This is so much costly, 490 veg fried rice. So enter the number of dishes. So 1 I am entering here. Now 490 plus 320, it is showing here 810. Next, again in the main menu, if you go, then it will show all the 3. Now I want some desserts. So I will enter here 3. Now here the desserts, welcome to the cool dessert, D for dessert. So I will enter here D for desserts. Now all the dessert menu is here. Softy pineapple, softy crunchy chocolate, chocolate walnut brownie, chocolate donut, marble cake, mocha magic, then black forest, so many names, mango shake, pineapple shake, tutti frutti. So these all are there. Now whichever you want from here, suppose I want a chocolate walnut brownie, I suppose I want a soft, anyone you can enter here. Tutti frutti I want, suppose 10 I want. So I will enter here 10 and now number, so 2 I am entering here. Now you can see it has added here 150 into 2, that is 300 rupees in the previous one. You can check here, you can scroll and you can check here that how it is functioning. You can scroll this one and then you can check here. Clear? So same way in Ideally also you have seen. In Ideally this was your program and this is your output. So when you were selecting, it was showing the menu and then it was adding all the dishes. So this is your program. Very nicely it has been designed. For menu it is separate. It is a user defined menu. So functions are used here. UDF, user defined functions are there. For starter corner, separate. For calculation part, here it is given all the calculation part, the total it is getting added. Total amount is global and with that it is a global keyword also has been used, as well as all the modules also has been used. Then using if else, if is used to check and operator is also used. So mostly whatever you have learned, return statement is also used. So mostly whatever has been taught in class 11th, every data has been used here. This is the menu driven and this is the call. Clear? So very nicely it is designed. So this project you can go through and you can make a new one. So thank you. Have a nice day.